grip was actually pretty good. You got to be a little careful on throttle, but you can get on the throttle pretty early. There's a few spots that are kind of rocky right now, but try to get into first a little earlier than what I did. Second a little earlier.
You were in second.
I got into second pretty late, but I think you can get in. I just got in the brakes too hard. I'm just not used to no ABS. That's all it was. I've never driven anything without ABS.
It's a different thing.
You just got it. You can't be as aggressive in the pedal. Or from what I heard, you can get aggressive, but you have to lean out.
I guess here's good.
Oh, no, up. We're still in the front. Just see that big cone parking between those, the big and that one. Nice job. Yeah, that felt good. Just look ahead.